Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober day
21.
Day 21. We have 10 days left until Halloween. If you are new and you haven't seen any of our Vlogtober videos this October, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist where you can catch up on videos 1 through 20, and I will link it above and below. And what we are doing is we are doing a Halloween countdown. This is I think I've been saying we've been doing this for 5 years, but I think technically this is our 4th year of doing it. So what we do is we open a gift or gifts from Grammi Dye. She has curated every single Vlogtober for us, and it is absolutely amazing. So thank you, Grammi Dye. Something a little different I'm gonna do from video now until the 31st is I've gotten to do some really cool collaborations and gotten some PR boxes for my Instagram and Facebook. And so I thought it'd be fun to just kind of share a few of the items that I've received, at least ones that we can hold. Like I've gotten inflatables and stuff that's kind of hard to show you guys from here, but we're gonna sprinkle them in. So this will be an unboxing and a really cool show and tell, at least for a few videos. So for today, do you think we should start with the gifts or should we start with Sparky?
Sparky.
Okay, so this is Sparky. If you guys have seen Frankenweenie, you know who Sparky is. I was gifted this amazing little animatronic. Well, he's not really little, he's actually a pretty decent size. From Grammi Industries. They also sent over some other stuff that I'm gonna share, some inflatables that you'll see when I do. I'll probably post a short video of our inflatable display, and you'll be able to see the new ones there. But he is just so cute. We love Frankenweenie. I think I have a couple of pins from Frankenweenie, but no like actual home decor. So I'm super excited to have him. He is just adorable. I'm gonna show you the back. And then I'll turn him on because he does like sing and howl and moves. So that's really fun. And then here's his tail. Alrighty, so you wanna press him?
Yeah.
He's so fun. So that's basically what he does. Anyways, we love him. Grammi usually only sends me NBC, but they were like, hey, would you like some Frankenweenie? And I'm like, absolutely. So he's besties with Zero. Anyways, I love him. So I had to share. So now we will do the gifts. Are these both family?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to start? Should I have gotten scissors? I didn't do that.
I got it.
Okay. Were you right? Juliet called it before we started.
I'm like that.
Sprinkles. That'll be good for hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, and then this is gift number 2. There's a lot of different cool ones.
It's for cupcakes.
Ooh. Oh, we'll have to make. Oh, then the sprinkles could go on top. That is awesome. Those are so cute. Let me see that. So we can put witches on the top, bats, ghosts, and skeletons, and then the little cupcake like wrappers are super duper cute. Oh, I love that. She finds the coolest themed things. That's super fun. Awesome. Okay, that's it for day 21. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 22. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.